All right, writers, let's get started. So I'm going to do the work as well as what you are doing. And today I chose to go with the choice board writing. So as you can see on my paper, I have my name, I have writing workshop, choice board writing, and then the date. So I chose to go with the one about that's the narrative. Tell a story and include the line, apparently bring your dinosaur to work day was a colossal failure. So whenever I first read this, I was like, oh my gosh, it sounds like something you would hear on the news. So typically, the time of day that I might get to watch the news is while I'm cooking dinner in the kitchen. So I need to kind of set up my story that way. And then I'm thinking about just kind of making it to where the dinosaurs wrecking an office building kind of captures my attention. And then ending with, apparently bring your dinosaur to work was a colossal failure. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of start this out. Let's see. Oh, I could start with that. Let's see. I need sliced green onion, teriyaki sauce, and chicken broth. So just kind of doing some internal thinking. I thought to myself, as I made my boys' favorite noodle stir fry. And suddenly, I hear Max shout. Is that okay with you? Can I use you in the story, Max? Oh my gosh. Mom, you have to see this.
What do you have to see?
I ran into the living room.
What you don't
And saw the craziest thing. Dinosaurs were taking over the cafeteria at the local Cerner building. Chairs were being smashed accidentally by tails swinging. Goodness. It seemed the dinosaurs were just looking for places to eat their lunches. With their owners.
You better believe that. I do not want to.
Taco sauce was splattered all over the windows. Ceiling and all of the furniture. Alexa, timer off.
What's that for?
The dryer. Gabe, Max, and I were laughing because our favorite story is Dragons Love Tacos. But we do not have a dragon or know anyone who does. So it was neat to see how much dinosaurs also loved tacos. And the scene reminded us very much of those on the pages of our book. There we go.
I'm guessing there's 8 hearts.
I'm going to change this to dinosaur. Okay. So I could keep going with this. It could be really funny talking more about the poor dinosaurs are like a T-Rex just barely able to hold on to his tray. And he's trying to swing around in the human-sized chairs, trying to find a place to sit. And that's why the furniture's all smashed up. That's kind of what I'm thinking. But then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up so I'm not wasting all of your guys' time. And just put how finally the newscast person, the news anchor's face popped up. And summarize the whole news story, saying this phrase. So, after seeing the taco sauce covered cafeteria. Ooh, maybe it would be the CEO of Cerner saying this. That would be fun too. After seeing the taco sauce covered cafeteria, the CEO finally stated to the young news anchor, the unfortunate events of today's attempt to bring families and pets together was a colossal mistake. Apparently, Bring Your Dinosaur to Work Day was a colossal failure and will not be a day we plan again in the future. Okay, so that's kind of, I'm going to add more here. But just to kind of get you guys going, just choose a topic, have fun with it, be silly. What connections can you make to it? And have fun with your writing today. And then don't forget that you are going to be writing some reflection questions. Today I worked on this prompt, how apparently blah, blah, blah. I am most proud of how creative I was able to get with adding in our Dragons Love Tacos book. And tomorrow I will look forward to writing another fun choice board option. All right, have fun, writers.